Here's a quick video to highlight this natural ash bowl. This bowl is starting to get on the large side, so this one is about 10.5 inches across. You can see it's got a lot of natural features to it. This piece was made from kind of a crotch section out of an ash tree. And with that, it ended up with some really unique shapes with the original log that this bowl came from. And so we've got this large, kind of fully intact bark inclusion. You can actually, the bark is still there and intact. The bowl, because of the bark inclusion, most of the bowl is really pretty thick, just to leave a reasonable sidewall so the bowl's not too fragile here where the bark is. You can kind of see where the branches came together in this bowl. On the inside, it's really not a knot, but you can definitely see where the branch was, and it does carry through to the outside of the bowl as well, right down here on the bottom. And it's exactly opposite of the bark inclusion here on the other side. But this can be a great bowl. You could use it for a variety of things in your home. We like to think of pieces like this as functional art. You could add it to your home decor. It can also be used in your kitchen. You could easily make a salad, mix up a salad or something like that in the bowl. Many different uses in your home. If you'd like to add this really unique natural bowl to your collection, we've got a link in the description to our online store. And if it's still available, you can pick it up there and we'd love to send it to you.